तुमको इंग्रजी जना अछि? डू यू नो इंग्लिश? डू यू नो इंग्लिश? हाँ किछि किछि जना अछि. Yes, something is known. Yes, something is known. मु इंग्रजी पढ़ी पारे लिखि पारे किंतु कथा होई पारे नहीं. I can read and write English but I can't speak in English. I can read and write English but I can't speak in English. तुमे इंग्रजी रे कथा हेबाकु चाहो कि? Do you want to speak in English? Do you want to speak in English? हाँ. Yes. Yes. किंतु मु इंग्रजी केमिति कहि परिबि? But how can I speak English? But how can I speak English? चिंता कर नाही. Don't worry. Don't worry. मु आपनको इंग्रजी सिखाइबि. I will teach you English. I will teach you English. मो ऊपर भरोसा रख. Trust in me. Trust in me. आमे कथा होई होई इंग्रजी सिखिबा. We will learn English by talking. We will learn English by talking. मु जहा कहबी तुमे ताको प्रथमे ध्यान रे सुनो. Listen carefully to what I say fast. Listen carefully to what I say fast. परे ताको पुनरावृत्ति करो. Then repeat it. Then repeat it. जदि किछि मन रे प्रश्न आसुची मते कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट करो. If you have any question, comment me in the comment box. If you have any question, comment me in the comment box. मु आपनको उत्तर कहबी. I will tell you the answer. I will tell you the answer. जदि मने न रहउची लेखि नियंतु. If you don't remember, write it down. If you don't remember, write it down. इंग्रजी एते कठिन भाषा नुहे. English is not such a difficult language. English is not such a difficult language. इंग्रजी सिखिबा एवं कहिबा निहाती जरूरी. Learning and speaking English is very essential. Learning and speaking English is very essential.